LEADER has been crucial for the development of the rural communities in Catalonia for decades. The essence of LEADER is cooperation and the bottom-up approach. We learn from these networking skills at local level and encourage cooperation at regional level by promoting long-term cooperation projects where all local action groups are involved with the support of the managing authority and other institutions at governmental level. That resulted in successful outcomes and LAX becoming a referent on topics like attracting new inhabitants in rural areas or encouraging the energy efficiency in rural enterprises. The next step will be putting all this knowledge and stakeholders together to lead and build a Catalan rural agenda.
We in the central government can learn from LAC employees and LAC board members about the needs in different rural areas, so that we are better able to design efficient and place-based policy interventions. It also empowers local communities and it builds trust in the future of rural areas. A LEADER has brought resources for the local communities and entrepreneurs to put their ideas into action. I'm always amazed when I read the annual reports of our LACs. There's such a diversity of different projects and innovative new businesses that LEADER has funded. LEADER also brings consistency to local development. There are local development strategies in all of our rural areas, and local action groups form a well-functioning network, vertically with the regional and national administration, and horizontally between themselves. They learn from each other, exchange ideas, and do cooperation projects together.
I've seen LEADER since the start of LEADER Plus, working in the rural network. And one memory that for me captures the soul of LEADER is when I was heading back from a LAG meeting. I was invited to talk about the network. And during that meeting, a new LAG member from a municipality, he was arguing heavily about a certain percentage of the funding should end up in his municipality. And in the car back, he was not in the car, but some other LAG members, one commented this behavior. And he said, I was kind of tempted to go into my role as a politician and argue back. But now he will learn, this is not how we're talking LEADER. We talk about the whole LEADER area.
One of the most useful things I have seen from LEADER is the way that it helps to get more people to understand how they can work together to achieve more benefits for everyone in our area. Just in the last 5 years, we connected around 12,000 people from our territory. We connected researchers with around 5,700 farmers working together. We connected more than 1,000 young people. We want to keep using LEADER to network more of our community, and we will continue to do this by connecting more young people, more farmers, more researchers with our plans for developing smart villages through the LEADER method.
Our multi-funded LEADER strategy helps us connect our villages from land to sea. LEADER multi-funding helps us plan and implement in a more effective way, involve everyone, create trust, and make the needs of groups like fishermen or farmers more visible. Our Walking Trails network in the nature and culture of Lesbos strengthen connections between people and local businesses and build a vibrant island community. We work out new ideas, innovative solutions with imagination and vision. In a time when we live constantly in an external world, LEADER can give us back our rich inner world, the world of our community.
LEADERio pagalba jisai gali įgyvendinti savo idėją. Tai iš tikrųjų unikali priemonė, kadangi yra labai arti žmonių ir suteikia jiems būtiną mentorystę ir pagalbą.
Young people are the future of the rural areas, and LEADER certainly recognize this important fact. LEADER method allows LACs all over Europe to work with young people and listen to them. This is an example of what building social capital means in practice. LEADER is a perfect way to involve and activate young people in rural areas. We had good experience about this in our LAC. Young people are not only involved through LEADER projects, but we also involve them in the local governance. Young people are equal members of our LAC board. Also, they have a mandate to make decisions that concern young people in our area.
Based on my 13 years old working experience with LEADER, I think one of the most important principles of LEADER method is the partnership. I think the partnership helps us to create a better services in the local areas, to have more connection, to be more responsible for the environment and the local economy. For the partnership have an important role in the national level also. When the local action group members or workers can meet and sit down together to talk about the recent situation or recent problems, it helps us to find better solutions.
If we talk about transnational cooperation, it's all about the people, by bringing together people and experts so that they can discuss their ideas, that they discuss common challenges, and that they are looking for better solutions for our regions. It's better to working together as to work alone. If we work together with our colleagues from other member states, yes, I think we have better ideas, we have better solutions for common problems that we have, and there is some economies of scale while we can share costs with 2 or 3 other LEADER action groups.
We have a forest project, which is a good example for a cooperation project. It was a project with 6 legs in 4 countries: Finland, Sweden, France and Luxembourg. And what did we gain during this project? Knowledge, knowledge, knowledge. Unbelievable how much we learned during this cooperation time. A lot of outcomes and benefits for our region, visible results. Self-confidence, something we didn't expect before, because when we started the cooperation project, we were thinking, oh my God, we are so small in comparison to this huge lags in Finland and Sweden with this huge forest industry behind. But during the study trips, especially when they were in our region, our partners told us about our strengths and forces. And this was very valuable for us and for our way in our project in our region. We discovered that our strengths are in the forest education, in the management and in the sustainability. And we got a huge network, lots of contacts, and some of these contacts we still have, and with some of these contacts we developed new projects further.
As a long-term leader manager with the experience I had, I think TNC projects gives us a better understanding of other ways of doing, probably what we never would think of in our region. So it favors the internal innovation capacity of the regions. And it opens possibilities to position products on the European market. For example, like we did now in Snow Trips tourism project, where we can have the critical mass level for putting positioning products on the European market.